Boy, do I love Arizona this time of year. It's like 61 degrees. I feel like no one even needs me this morning. Today we're swapping out a water source heat pump. Let's go. So, of course, the unit that I picked up this morning, we don't know if it was a distributor problem or if maybe we ordered the wrong one, because the ductwork is supposed to come out of this side. It's coming out of this side. So, they have one where it's going to come out of this side. So, I'm going to drive back over there. They're going to take this one. I'm going to get one like this. Makes sense? What happened? What happened?
What?
What happened today?
Somebody fucked up on the order.
So, pretty big waste of a day. We just barely got the unit up and hung. No water lines plumbed in, no drain lines, no wiring, no nothing. We had to navigate around a sprinkler pipe and I believe the other pipe on the other side of the unit was actually the big, like 3-inch sprinkler line that we had to go, or that we're up against almost. So basically we had to like lower how high the unit was going to sit, so that way we could clear the metal trusses, and we were sitting in between the metal trusses and the top of the ceiling grid light. We're in between that space. Oh, look who the fuck it is. So this water source heat pump went something like this. We pick up a unit, supply is on the wrong side. We return that unit, pick up another unit, supply is on the right side. New unit is 18 inches longer than old unit. Made it very difficult to fit in there. So now it has been fitted in there, and they go to fire it up, and it doesn't have any refrigerant in it. So I go back there thinking I'm gonna go deal with wiring problems, and it ends up being flat on refrigerant straight from the factory. So we swapped a perfectly good unit that was incorrect for a correct bad unit, and then I just pressurize it and I let it sit there for 10 minutes, and it's fine, doesn't lose any pressure. So tells me maybe just not charged from the factory. Didn't say anything on the unit that it wasn't charged from the factory. Just came like that. And is this guy gonna ride his bike past me, or what are we doing? Dude, go. Okay, I'm going. Fucking guy dies. Okay. So, yeah, now unit's up and running. Got her charged up. And that was a 3-day event for something that was supposed to take 6 hours. And that's how that happens.